Warning, this episode might make you uncomfortable and maybe a little hotter than your hot flashes, but definitely will learn a lot from today's topic. We'll talk about sexual health, desire, intimacy, and yes, pleasure in midlife. So let's get in touch. This is Auntie Belle.
And this is Auntie Karen.
And this is Auntie Time. So Auntie, our episode today is more exciting for me actually. Actually, feeling ko mas excited ka sa akin, pero exciting siya for me.
Yeah, moment natin to ngayon.
Oo, kasi, di ba, we went to we did 5 on-ground forums.
Last month, March.
Last month, Women's Month. We talked about perimenopause and menopause and women's health in general.
Yeah.
And we found out from those forums, collectively, part ng Q&A natin, ang daming tanong about sexual wellness.
Yes, also known as midlife bimbangan.
Correct. So yun ako, na-open up yung topic na yun in our forums and a lot of questions are interesting for us, no? So, kaya ngayon gusto ko siyang pag-usapan for this episode. Baka kasi feeling ko a lot of women out there, our listeners, na marami silang questions sa head nila na hindi nila natatanong. They're probably shy or afraid to ask. Pero as you all know, siguro makaka-relate yung iba dito. At 2 a.m., 3 a.m., nag-google tayo ng mga bagay-bagay tungkol sa sexual wellness or sexual health. Pero Google can only do so much, as you know.
Or ChatGPT too.
Correct. So yun yung magiging topic natin ngayon, Ante.
Kaya nga, Ante, we decided to have this topic discussed with a very well-known Filipina sexpert.
Yes.
Some of the questions that our listener might have in mind but are too hiya or too scared to ask, our guest is like us, a taboo breaker.
Oy.
She'd also been going around spreading the good news and awareness about our topic today. So I'm
Hindi ka masyadong excited,
Hindi ako masyadong excited. She is recognized as the first Filipino board certified diplomate in clinical sexology by the American Board of Sexology.
Daming sex?
And it is my pleasure to introduce the one and only Dr. Rica Cruz.
Welcome, Doc Rica!
Welcome, Doc Rica!
Thank you so much for joining us.
Magandang umaga, hapon, gabi sa mga nanonood kung nasaan man kayo. Ay, ano pala to?
It's a podcast. Okay.
Alright.
Okay, Doc, before we bombard you with a lot of questions, we're just letting you know that this is a safe space. I'm sure alam mo na to, mas expert ka sa amin dito, but we want our aunties listening na this is a safe space and that we're gonna be talking about the topic na hindi natin madalas pinag-uusapan. Pag-uusapan natin lahat yan. And because we have an expert like si Doc, yun nga, tuturuan niya tayo, paano ba natin ma-navigate tong mga challenges na to? May challenges na nga tayo sa bodies natin, pati yung sex dumagdag
Sexual
pa.
challenges in midlife.
Dumagdag pa. Kasi alam na natin, mas maraming alam si Doc. Actually, kayong dalawa, mas si Doc.
Mas si Doc.
Pero pasabog, marami rin pasabog si Doc sa atin, for sure.
I'm sure.
So, yeah.
Anong gagawin natin?
Handa ka na ba?
Handa na ba ako? Hindi natin tatanungin si Doc kasi handa na si Doc. Ako talaga yung tinanong mo.
Okay.
Yes.
Kaya nga, di ba kasi in midlife, as our hormones make this chaotic phase of dipping estrogen, progesterone, and I don't know if I'm wrong or right, testosterone, na kahit pala babae tayo, we have testosterone.
Yes, meron.
And it is one of the main driving force of our libog pala.
Correct. It's the libido.
It's a libido hormone. But we'll talk about that science much later on na lang siguro. But for now, we really want to know the juice behind bimbangan in midlife, Doc. So,
Possible pa ba ang level ng bimbangan yung kagaya ng 10 years, 20 years
yung
ago?
kabataang barangay.
Ano, yung araw-araw?
Araw-araw, maya-maya.
Magpikit ang mga arms.
Breakfast, lunch, dinner?
Yes.
Yan.
Right? Siguro yung breakfast, lunch, dinner, depende na talaga yun sa energy mo. Pero yung araw-araw, actually kagabi, tapos ng isang gabi, tapos ng isang gabi, nagawa ko naman. So, parang possible.
Sana oil, Doc.
With matching ano pa yan perimenopause migraine.
So, Doc is in the period. Mukha ka lang bata, pero nasa peri ka na rin.
Oo.
Currently.
So, what's the secret,
but
Doc? Paano mo
thank you.
kinaya?
Na magmukhang bata? Sex. Ano?
Well, yeah, that's I want.
Nakakaganda
Pero yung
talaga.
araw-araw, Doc, kwento mo naman sa
Hindi
amin,
naman
paano?
siya ginugusto. Ginugusto.
Oh, magandang perspective.
So the bigger
yun.
question for me is, possible ba talaga ang intimacy in long-term relationship?
Yes. It
Like
is possible. I mean, what makes you think that it's not? Maybe I can.
Well,
throw
there's
that
motherhood and there's career.
There's pagoda.
There we are domestic goddesses. We take care of our
Yes.
households.
Yes.
You yourself, you're very much involved in your children's lives, and you have a thriving career. Where do you get the energy, Doc?
Malibog lang talaga ako.
So kailangan basic, must be malibog.
No, I don't think it's must be malibog. I think it's really enjoying sex and wanting it.
Okay,
As opposed to seeing it as a chore, as an obligation, or it's just something on your to-do list. Na parang, ay, kasama siya, check yung mga bata, okay na. Ay, yung trabaho ko, check. Ay, yung sex, check. Pag nilagay mo doon, para na siyang trabaho.
Oh, actually. Yeah.
Nasa checklist na siya ng to-do list.
Eh, di ba, hindi naman tayo lahat gustong nagtatrabaho.
Oh, yeah.
Yung sinasabi mo kasi na, oo, ang daming ginagawa ng mga babae. No? Kasama talaga siya. If you're asking na yung sex life ba ma-maintain even though we're already in midlife, it is possible. I will stick to that answer. However, it will not be possible if you are passive about it.
So you have to take an active role.
Yes,
really.
lahat naman ng ginagawa natin
Very
in midlife,
intentional.
kailangan
sex life intentional din.
Pero,
Ganon.
Kaya nga sabi ko, kailangan ginugusto mo.
Pero
Right?
ante, kahit na ba gustuhin mo, ito na to, ako na to.
Ah, sige.
Kahit gusto mo siya,
The mind is willing.
the mind is willing,
But the body is not.
Kasi
Yes.
pagoda.
Oo. So, kapag pagod ka, you let the body rest.
Okay.
Right? But you also have to allot time for yourself and for your intimacy. And when you say intimacy, it's not really just about like sexual intercourse with your partner.
Pwedeng oral sex.
Pwedeng oral sex. Pwedeng
Wala ka hawakan doon.
Pwedeng hawak lang. Or pwedeng yung kahit landian lang with your partner. That can count as intimacy because what's important, especially in long-term relationships, is the understanding that you still desire each other.
Oh.
Parang you still have that, gusto pa rin kita.
Pero, okay, sige, maganda yung point ni Doc doon na, kailangan intimacy. Pero, paano kung yung asawa mo, hindi lang hanggang doon yung gusto niyo na parang ligawan, gusto niyo dumiretso na agad sa bed, pero pagoda ka nga, you can only do so much at the time. That, what you said lang.
Yes. So, dapat may understanding kayong mag-asawa. Usually kasi, ang nangyayari sa mga, I'll go gender-based ha,
Yes.
when we're talking about heterosexual couples, couples in long-term relationships, yung mga lalaki, kapag nare-reject sila ng sex, naiisip nila na ayaw na sa kanila nung asawa nila.
True.
Tapos, paano ba natin sila nire-reject? Minsan, ay, ang bastos mo naman. Ay, tigilan mo nga yan, puro kalokohan. Yung ganon. So, parang, eventually, nawawala na talaga sila ng gana kasi ayaw na nilang ma-reject. As women, we think that for men, sex is just for their pleasure. But it's actually their way of connecting with their wives. Na, I still feel one with you. Right? I still feel connected with you. Sex is a way of connection
Okay.
for them. So, if kunyari pagod na pagod ka, tapos sabihin, ay, pagod ako. Pwede ba wag na lang?
Which is in
Malulungkot
most
sila.
cases ganun.
Oo. Pero kapag sinabi mong, I have desire, like the mind is willing, right? Gusto ko talaga, or parang, I want to have sex with you, it's just that the body is not, can we reschedule it? Or
So, scheduling is the key
Oo,
rin.
parang reschedule it, or kaya pwedeng date mo muna ako, tapos pag medyo okay na ako. Oo.
That's a very good point, Doc. Pero I think a lot of us Filipino women, at least for Gen X like us, we reach midlife without really understanding our sexuality and our bodies.
Exhibit A.
Exhibit A. Okay. But, much recently, you posted this wonderful post sa, sa Insta mo about understanding orgasm.
Yeah.
Nobody taught us about orgasm growing up. So, why do you expect us in midlife to kailangan regularly mag-orgasm ka? It's a feel, kasi di ba we release a certain hormone that's feel good, pampaganda nga sabi ni Doc, di ba? So, we reach a certain age for Gen X women like us, like the aunties listening, karamihan, siya lang pala, na hindi naiintindihan ang kanilang sexuality or katawan.
Ito kasi, dinefend ko yung sarili ko. Growing up, Doc, kasi marami sa atin, atin. Na, Catholic school, yung family ko, church dito, church doon. So, it's really not a topic that we discuss. Yung alam ko is, I thought, ang dami ko nang alam, but when I talk to Auntie Karen, parang, ay shucks, wala pala akong
Di
alam,
lalo nung
no?
nakausap mo si Doc Rica.
Wala pala akong alam talaga. So parang all the while, I thought may alam na ako. Bakit nga ba gano'n? I'm sure I'm not the only one.
Oh, yeah.
Oh.
Yes. It's a whole generation, actually. 2 generations.
Oh, wow. 2 generations.
Yes. Even millennials are like that. Yes.
Really? I thought millennials just like ahead of their time and aware. And
They are more open but not as educated when it comes to sex because our values are still like what you said, hindi pinag-uusapan ng sex, bawal, 'di ba? Nakakadumi pag bilang
ng babae,
Oh.
it makes you less pag nilabasan ka.
Oo. Pleasure isn't really
Hold my hand. Hold my hand.
hindi parang for sex, hindi naman talaga pinag-uusapan ng pleasure kahit naman ngayon eh. 'Di ba?
Dapat.
So, para sa atin, nung lumalaki tayo, ang sinasabi lang sa atin tungkol sa sex ay, huwag ka makikipag-sex, mabubuntis ka, masakit yan, ay, disgrasyada ka, ay, sayang ang puri mo, diba? Parang wala nang magkakagusto sa'yo. So,
Yes.
growing up, like 30, 40 years of that thinking, mahirap ipalitan,
Oo.
kumbaga.
Oo.
So, hindi mo talaga alam. Ngayon ka lang natututo.
Correct.
Now that you have agency to actually think for
Actually,
yourself.
Google University pa nga, Doc. And Google, unfortunately,
Pero
can only do so
when we
much.
were going through around the LGUs, diba? There were very innocent and legitimate questions na, pero kailangan kong magpagamit.
The term, I hate
The term, we hate the term pagamit because you,
Sa
a
asawa
woman,
nila.
you are not. Ante, hindi ka gamit. Ikaw ay importanteng taong babae na hindi plancha ang gagamitin, hindi cellphone na gagamitin, tao ka, may needs ka din.
Bakit nga ba ganun?
What's your
yung
take on
thinking
that, thinking of
ng
Filipino
mga
women?
babaeng ganun?
Kasi, dahil nga lumaki tayo na ang sinasabi ay sex is para lang sa mag-asawa, 'di ba? Kasama dun sa mga narrative na yon ay yung sex, kailangan lang siya ng lalaki. Tapos, kailangan makipag-sex ka dun sa lalaki para hindi siya maghanap ng iba.
Wow, no?
Very
I know.
Hostage
patriarchal
ito.
kasi yung mga narratives around sex na kinalakihan natin.
Yun na nga.
So, para sa mga lalaki, ang sex, it's not even for our pleasure too. It's not even for us too. It's for them. Recently lang yung sex is for the union of the marriage. Recently lang yun eh. Parang wala pa nga 20 years yun eh.
So, given that, sex is for everyone. Pero dahil nga merong limitations, meron ng physical, mental, emotional limitations
midlife no?
when you go through midlife. Like for example, 20 years ago, 30 years ago, boyfriend mo pa lang, I can imagine myself having sex with this man for the rest of my... I love him. Ngayon,
Parang you can't get off
girl, ngayon kalabitin ka, sasapakin kita. Wag mo kung hawakan.
Sandali, wag mo nga hawakan, mainit.
Exactly. So it's how do you that reconnection though with the limitations of midlife considerations like hot flashes, headache that's like splitting your brain into two, right? Or fatigue that won't go away. So where will we meet the sweet spots?
Okay, I want to double down on that kasi a lot of separations, they really happen.
Yes.
During
Midlife,
right?
yes. That's statistics, no?
Yes. It really happens during midlife because of the transition nga, 'di ba? Yung nakikita mo na ay, bakit mahal na mahal ko siya noon, tas ngayon ayaw ko na.
Yeah.
So much so that I've talked to a lot of women in midlife and their question, for me and for themselves, is that we were taught that you can only have sex with one person, right? Your husband. But when they reach midlife, they say, ito na ba to?
Yes.
Forever and
Oo,
ever
parang
and
ano ba to?
ever.
And then some of them, I'm not saying all, right? They have like a tinge of grief.
Yung grieving na yan won't go away.
From not being able to explore. Exploration is up to you if you want to do it. I'm just telling you the
So,
story.
midlife, yung grief of dapat pala, nagwala na lang ako nung kabataan ko.
Actually,
O kaya sasabihin
medyo
nila-
nakaka-relate ako doon. Dok. Kasi parang ang iniisip ko ngayon, parang totoo pala yung sinabi nila, you'll get better at whatever, let's say in a relationship or in sex, through experience. So if you lack experience, how can you say you're an expert in that field? Wala naman ako masyado experience, kaya nasa isip ko, siguro naman mahaba na yung experience ko na may asawa ko na ganito. Apparently, hindi pala. So, yun yung parang na-realize ko, hindi pa pala ako experience when it comes to this. So, sana pala, nag-explore ako when I was younger to gain that experience.
Ganun ba yun? Too late for that?
Hindi,
too
pero
late for
pwede naman kayo mag-explore, mag-partner.
Correct. Yes. So, pwede naman this time.
Oo, this
Pero
time.
yun nga, yung pagod.
Pagod is real. Tired is
Alam
me.
mo,
Doc.
mamaya explain ko
Kasi tinan mo, you are a trailblazer in talking about sex. And of course, how do, as a Gen X women, us, right in the middle of this crazy midlife, no? How do we redefine pleasure in midlife, Doc?
Ayan, alam mo yan ang aking dissertation.
Wow.
Ang dissertation ko is entitled The Wife, the Mother, and the Slut. Sexual pleasure for the Filipino woman.
So,
Yeah.
it's not a Madonna horse syndrome, it's the meron na ring ano.
No, it's like for you to be able to redefine your pleasure in midlife. There's a phase where I call sexual reawakening, and that's exactly midlife.
So, possible pang mag-reawaken ng aking sex life?
Yes. So, ganun lang.
Wait,
Sige,
sorry.
explain
Tulog
ko.
ba to begin with yung sex life mo?
Medyo nagnanap siya.
Magnanap siya talaga.
Nagnanap siya eh.
Explain ko ng onte.
Okay.
So, para sa mga babae, because we grew up in a conservative Catholic country, syempre at the start, yung sexual pleasure mo is for parang exploration, sige, pero minsan wala. And then, pag nag-asawa ka, magkakaroon ka ng time na yung honeymoon phase na, sex kayo. Pero, pag nagkaanak ka, magdidip yung
Normal
pleasure
yun.
mo.
Oo.
Normal yun. Kasi nga,
Is it
dahil mo
biological?
iniisip. Daming iniisip, dahil mong responsibility. Your priority right now is your child.
Yes.
And your relationship becomes deprioritized. And sexual pleasure comes with that. Right? Ang nangyayari, kapag bumaba siya ng bumaba, nagkakaroon kayo ng problema mag-asawa. Diba?
Which is the disconnection.
Yun yung disconnect.
Okay.
Tapos, it's up to you as a husband and wife to fix that. There are instances na nagkakaroon ng trigger event na tinatawag ko. Ano yung mga trigger event na yon? It's either nagkaroon ng babae, parang may third party.
Yeah.
O kaya, di ba minsan meron tayong face na feeling mo losyang-losyang mo, tapos may nanlandi sa'yo.
Yes, so parang appreciate ka,
Oo,
ganon.
parang,
Oo.
meron pa pala. So parang may matitrigger na pwede pa pala. And then you start looking into yourself. And then your sexual self. So this is the start of masturbating. Parang exploring na, oo nga no, pwede pa pala ako mag-masturbate ulit. Diba? Or,
Hindi, I'm paying attention.
Wow!
I know, right? I know.
What's happening to
I
you?
know, I'm making
Tell me
mental
more.
lists already, Doc. Okay.
And for a lot of women, that's the start of them going to salons again or changing their wardrobe. So,
Kasi
going
napansin
back
ulit.
to their bodies and saying that, oh nga, I used to be a sexual being. What happened to it?
Because motherhood.
Yeah.
Right? And then a lot of other things.
Pero may magti-trigger talaga
So, you
sa'yo
need
to
the
get out of,
discovery. It's
to
like
get
a
out of
rebirth.
that motherhood hat to find your slut again. Kaya siya the wife, the mother, and the slut. And then once you find that slut, you will integrate yourself as a woman by being all three. So you can be a wife anytime, you can be a mother anytime, and you can be a slut anytime.
So you can be a slut to yourself.
Yes. That's the time that you arouse yourself. You see yourself and you arouse yourself.
Kasi
In
Doc, ha,
different ways,
I mean, it's a legitimate question. A lot of things happening in our brain in midlife. So much so, napansin ko, it's so hard to even stimulate myself to wanting it and reaching orgasm. Dok, kabataan, well, not a problem. Pero ngayon, parang hirap na ako. I'm trying my best, you know?
Toys are your friend.
Toys.
The womanizer is your best friend.
Ooh,
That's
and-
my like.
Play that
Oh.
Ayan,
Pag-uusapan natin mamaya.
Yes.
Yan.
Pero this is the time
Toys
na nga
talaga.
talaga na kailangan meron kang kaibigan.
Pero Dok, paano na lang kung pambibili ko womanizer, pambili ko lang ng pagkain
Ng
yan,
gatas.
ng gatas ng
Oh, pwede
apo ko.
naman. Meron ka
Ano
naman
yan?
daliri, di ba?
Ha? Daliri is the way that
Ito ba binibili mo ba yung daliri mo?
Daliri is forever.
ang ano natin dyan is SSS, di ba? Sariling sikap sa sex.
Yes.
Pwede
yes,
rin yun. Yun yung sagot namin dun sa mga nagtanong. Kung
So
paano
talagang
kung
midlife
single
is
sila o
really
ano.
a mode of rediscovery.
Pero kasama yun yung kasama rin yun yung knowing yourself while you're going through perimenopause. Lahat ng sakit ng ulo, lahat ng dryness, lahat ng yung low libido. Kasama yun dun sa proseso.
Isang sinasabi mo kasi, okay, sarili mo, kailangan hanapan mo muna ng gana yung sarili mo.
Oo.
So, just
Kasama sa
for-
self-care yun, ha?
para ba yan sa preparation to having
actually
intimacy
want
with
it.
your husband? Or
Okay.
self lang to? Ano ba siya?
Self lang to.
Self lang
Kasi
to.
meron pang next na yung husband mo. Yung husband mo, kailangan educated din sila. Ang problema kasi, hindi naman educated ang mga...
Listen.
Listen. Ang mga kalalakihan
Correct.
nito.
Isa
Sa
pa
kung
silang
ano-
80-80 eh.
Oo. Kung ano yung pinagdadaanan mo. Kasi hindi naman sila tinuruan eh. Ano ba yung turo sa kanila nung lumalaki sila? Magtrabaho ka, magbigay ka ng pera, that's it. Right? Eh, iba na yung... Iba na yung
Dynamics,
times
yeah,
ngayon. Oo.
Tsaka hindi lang yun ang needs.
Hindi, oo. So, kailangan maintindihan din nila yung pinagdadaanan mo. And one of the things that they need to understand is that you're going through a lot of changes in your body.
In midlife.
In midlife. And that you are also a sexual being. Oo. Bakit
Okay.
nila kailangan maisip yon? Meron kasing pag-iisip na, I will use my wife for sex. But they don't see their wives as a sexual being. They don't see their wives as someone who can...
Kasi yun ang wiring nila growing up. My wife is Madonna.
Mhm.
If, she is not supposed to,
To
be
be
a
a
slut.
Yes. So, yun yung kailangan nilang matutunan din. To see you as sluts.
Wow.
On certain,
You
may
are my
certain,
slut, baby.
wait
You,
lang.
my beats.
Wait lang.
No. Ngayon, kukonect na natin, ha?
Come here. Come home to daddy. Gugulahan ako. Sandali.
Kasi,
Ah.
slut. Siguro naman, unto certain time, siguro when it's about to, you have to do it, do the intimacy part lang? Or is it, like, it should be,
Always.
it's an everyday thing.
It's an
See your woman as
ganon.
your slut.
Because as women, we want to be desired. And we would want that desire, at least, to hopefully, to come from our husbands.
Oh.
And if your husband sees you as a sexual being, as a mother, as a partner, as everything a woman
In
should
one.
be,
Girl.
it will help you unleash that.
So kahit na 200 pounds ka, girl, kailangan ang sexy mo naman, Bel. Never mind kung 200 pounds ako, I am your sexual goddess slut.
Yan.
Kasi, ang tinuro kasi sa atin, mga ante,
Hindi, ang
growing
mahirap
up,
maging sexy dahil perimenopause is like growing your tummy or
Okay.
fats all over place.
Yan. Ikaw nag-iisip niyan eh. Pero pag yung asawa mo, 'di ba?
Oo, hindi nila iniisip
Pinaramdam
yun.
sa'yo na...
So kailangan paramdam mo sa asawa ko, sexy ako.
Ganon.
Hindi mo
Ano?
sasabihin sa asawa, paramdam mo sa akin. Yung asawa mo, dapat siya talaga.
Ang
I
magsabi.
mean, he can express how much he desires you.
So, wait, sorry. Ang turo kasi sa atin growing up is, ayaw natin makita tayo na quote-unquote, kabastos-bastos. Or like, ka-slut. So ngayon, Doc, what you're saying is, it's okay na maganon yung makita sa atin ng asawa natin.
Sana, asawa mo yan eh.
Oo.
'Di ba?
Okay.
I mean,
Ay, yung asawa ko,
Pero
nananawagan
there
po
is
ako, bastusin mo na ako.
Yan, ganyan. Very good.
No, kasi
Hindi
diba,
mo kinaya yun
hindi
from
ko kinaya from you. Kasi diba, we have a Filipina culture of hiya. I wanna talk about it. Like Gen X, meron kayong mga mananay namin, tatay namin. Hindi, ayoko mababalitaan na meron kang, pukpuk ka or whatnot ha. We grew up So, for us to take out that long ingrained
Matagal yan.
cultural.
Okay, girl, pag sinabi kong pokpok ka ngayon, how would you feel?
Hurt ako. Hindi naman ako pokpok
Ano lang?
Anong nararamdaman ko?
Sige.
Hindi nga totoo
Okay.
O tapos, na nga. Oo nga.
Okay.
Kasi nga, midlife ako, wala na akong pake-opinion nyo. Diba?
Okay.
Pero, as we age, syempre 20s, 30s is a period of uncertainty, of insecurities. And if you, may care pa tayo sa opinion ng ibang tao about us.
Because,
Ngayon wala na.
Ngayon wala na.
exactly, that's my point. Kung wala ka ng pakialam
Oo.
sa opinion ng tao around you, it doesn't matter what they say.
What they call
Right?
you.
And
Oo.
shame is an external parang construct It's about how people perceive you.
Yes.
Right? So, kung wala ka ng pakialam how they perceive you, then the shame goes away too. It's gonna be different if we're gonna talk about the younger generation.
Yeah,
But in midlife, if you still feel that you are operating based on how people perceive you,
Hindi
Then
Because
that's
we
there's
have
change pa
children.
din.
Alam mo yun, of course, motherhood changes our values din. Na parang, aren't you glad na nandun tayo sa generation na kung ano man yung party girl era natin, kung ano man yung kawalang-ya at kabastusan na ginawa natin, walang pruweba na nasa Insta, na nasa TikTok.
Walang paskandal.
Walang paskandal. Ngayon kasi, it's different. Like, I would want, mama boy mom. So, I would really want also na they would see women put in a certain, place then of veneration, nanay mo
Yes.
yan. Because always
Mama
remember, hindi naman ganez. Pero diba, yung parang, it changes us. We don't want our kids to think any less of us.
Ang dami nating worries, no?
Ang dami
Worries ko
nating
din yan
worries.
actually.
wait
Yeah.
lang.
Diba? Nanay ko ganyan. Hoy, nanay mo.
What makes you think that he will
Think that way.
think less of you?
Wala lang.
If you,
Again, baka yan nga, Dok, yung mga dati pang
oo.
na-ingrain sa amin. Growing up. I'm sure madami sa
Kasi
listeners
kung
natin.
alam mo naman that you have like a healthy relationship
With
with,
my
your
kids,
child,
yes,
and you're
yes.
doing your best to, diba, nurturing him.
So, okay na ako magpa-deliver ng lube sa bahay. Alam, ay, may lube nanay ko. O, sige.
Bakit hindi?
Kailangan.
Kasi tinatago mo
Pero
pa
you
yun.
know how
ano,
our
sa-
kids are? Like, the
Oo.
fact na maisip nila, my parents are still having sex.
Nasusuka sila.
May ganun sila.
Yun kasi, that's the stigma around sex. And that's actually what we want to change
Diba? Na
in
parang,
the younger
anak, kung di kami nag-sex, wala ka sa earth.
Exactly.
Diba?
Oo.
Yun nga yung chine-change din ni Doc na
Na
conversation.
conversation. Oh, you're doing a good job, Doc. Thank you.
Thank you, Doc.
I have a,
doing it.
I have a 15-year-old and since bata pa siya, alam na niya. Pag may pag-sex ako, parang kagabi lang. Wait lang, sex ako.
No, what the fuck?
Enjoy. Tapos, pag-akit namin, ano kami, parang after 1 hour, gising pa siya. Oh, how was it?
Oh my God!
Wow! Wow, ang galing.
She is
Oo,
really
It's a normal
Sobrang
conversation at home.
Conversation.
Sana ganun nga
talaga.
din sa lahat.
paano
ng
naman
bahay.
yung ito yung mga tanong sa LGU. Wala po akong asawa.
Sabi niyo po healthy ang sex. Yung
Kasi
mga
sabi yun,
nila.
yun ang ina-advocate din ng isang gynecologist. That our vagina, our kiffy, is like a muscle. You gotta use it even in midlife.
to maintain
To
health.
maintain the health of your kiffy. Sabi nung marami dalawang location na nagsabi, single po ako.
Paano namin ma-maintain?
Pa-maintain ang
Ano daw
health
ang
ng aming
tips?
kiffy.
Ganyan.
So,
Kegel exercises, meron ka rin.
Kegel. O, i-google natin yan,
meron
ha?
ka rin daliri nga.
Daliri nga.
So we need to normalize also na-
Masturbation?
Masturbation. Okay daw mag-masturbate ante yung mga nakinig nun. Okay na okay.
Healthy
Tsaka
yun.
pampaganda yun kasi oxytocin
Oxytocin,
ang nagbibigay sa'yo ng natural glow.
At
Ay, ang
saka,
gaganda nyo, no?
ang masturbation,
Young girl.
actually nakakatulong nga rin siya sa sakit ng ulo
Oh.
Oo. Ang masturbation, it doesn't cost anything. It doesn't do anything to you negatively unless talagang gaganon ka, 'di ba? Sasaktan mo yung
Masasaktan
sarili
na,
mo.
oo, okay.
But really, all the benefits.
Pero Doc, it's really hard to get there. That's my problem.
Then
Sa
you need-
midlife, dati,
Oo.
hindi naman.
Midlife, before no, pero ngayon parang usually a couple of minutes, I'm good. Ngayon parang, wag ko na lang kayang ituloy ito. Ayoko na, tinatamad na ako eh.
Yan.
Ay.
Yan din ay kasama sa pagkakilanlan ng sarili mo. How would you arouse yourself now? What would
On
arouse
top
you?
of, nabayaran na ba yung meral ko?
Totoo,
Nasundo
totoo.
na ba
Bayad
yung
na ba ako ng
ano?
internet? Sinundo ko na ba yung bata?
Diba? Kaya kailangan mo talaga mag-carve out ng time for yourself na ikaw lang tahimik.
Intentional talaga.
And, or pag you find yourself alone, right?
Mm-mm.
And you're alone and you say, okay, I don't want to work right now. I have 5 minutes to myself. What am I gonna do? 10, 15 minutes.
So, nasa to-do list talaga siya dapat to.
Hindi, may isip mo
Isip
lang
mo
siya.
lang siya dapat.
Kasi intentional nga
Tinuto-do
siya,
list mo
diba?
pa ba yun? Diyos ko, Lord!
Kaya nga kailangan mo ng laruan. And also,
Yes.
parang you need to find yung recipe mo of arousal.
By
Oo.
exploring yourself.
Exploring yourself or watching porn, if that's you, or reading erotica, or imagining yourself somewhere, your fantasies. So you have to have your go-to.
Mm.
What would arouse you?
Lately,
Buffering.
I have like a couple of things. Parang, thank you. Can you get back to me maybe in like next week? On top of a lot of things that we need to do as
No, you don't have to be aroused now. But what arouses you?
Di ba yung toys, ante? Or ano ba?
Ano ba yung naiisip mo na that can arouse you? Alam mo, that's part of my study. Ang tawag ko doon, laglag panty moments. And for the
So,
women...
fantasy ba yan, Doc?
Meron. For the women that I interviewed, ang nakakapagpa-arouse sa kanila ay nyari, seeing their husbands in their element, parang ganyan, or seeing their husbands
In
wash
brief,
the dishes.
tapos ang taba? No way!
Hindi, wash the dishes nga eh. Or playing with the kids, may mga ganon. Or
Actually, pag may ginagawa yung husband ko na
Nice.
nice for the...
Hindi kayo mercy sex lang ang tawag dun.
Hindi, parang ewan ko,
Natutuwa ka, diba?
ako. And then parang bigla na lang na-drop
So,
yung energy ko.
husbands na nasa midlife,
Tama ba, Doc? Ganun.
please do stuff without
Okay.
being asked. Please, take
Correct.
out the trash on time. Hindi kailangang sabihan.
Oo.
Okay?
Yung sinabing gawin mo na yung
Gawin mo na
sirang
ngayon.
bombilya, wag na umabot ng 6 months.
Yes. Yung mga
Bago
ganon.
gawin.
oo.
Yung mga ganon, kasi
Yeah.
observant
Yeah.
ako.
So, it doesn't need to be
tayo.
sexual.
it doesn't need to be sexual at all.
Oh, there you go. Ako ganon.
Ang intrinsic emotion kasi ng arousal is excitement. So, if you think of arousal as something sexual, I would want you to go back to what excites you. 'Di ba? Yung nabubuhayan ka ng dugo.
Yeah.
Kasi pag nabuhayan ka ng dugo, oo nga, no, alive
Oo.
pa ako. Kasama yun. Kasi blood flow naman ng arousal eh.
Oo.
Blood flow. And
Kaya siguro importante rin yung sinasabi nilang doc na kailangan dinidate mo rin yung asawa mo.
Yes.
Yes.
Para,
Oo.
yun nga, nagkakagana ulit. Diba? Okay, okay. So yun, non-sexual. Pero there are
Non-sexual.
sexual din.
Of course.
So for our listeners, may option tayo. Kung halimbawang
Gumawa ng kabutihan siya nang hindi mo siya punupuwersa, pwede mong isex.
Meron kang rule. Pero, meron nga akong na-interview na gano'n. Parang, simula nung naghugas ang pinggan yung
Uy,
asawa
ganon?
niya. Oo na.
So, inaabot, doon na sila sa sink inaabot.
Ay,
Ay, ang
ganon.
hot! Nice!
So, parang na-train niya yung asawa niya na maghugas ang pinggan.
Bayat-baya, kahit malinis yung pinggan, huhugasan natin
Maghugas
yan.
yung asawa ko, I'm gonna get laid tonight.
Pero yun namang yun namang mga tao na, kunyari, you can't do that like at home, right? O yung sinasabi mo palagi kang pagod dahil sa trabaho, stressed ka. What I say is that you carve out time. Kami ng asawa ko, meron kaming tinatawag na sex vacation. Lalo na nung baby pa yung
I
bunso
heard
niya.
about that.
Every year,
Bembangan
na
ng bembangan
magsisex
ng
lang
bembangan.
Talaga kami. As in, yun lang. Yun lang. So,
Eh, paano yung
na-
shaving, Doc? Alam mo, ito ang problema ha. Vaginal care tayo ha.
Oo.
Realistic. Physiologically, di ba, there are different types of kifis now. There's the sad kifi.
Ano yung tsura ng sad
Ano yung
kifi? Ante, ano yung tsura ng sad kifi?
Sad kifi.
Ay, yung kifi na galit na.
Ba't siya nagalit? Overused ba? Dahil may masayang
Pinipilit
kiwi. Oo.
siguro.
Third, I want to talk about midlife vaginal care kasi it's not like as plump, as succulent as it was in your 20s and maybe 30s, right? We've discussed with our sa LGUs natin na even our wash is not the same as it was from when we were our 20s and our 30s. There are vaginal wash commercially sold that's intended for women of midlife. So you just have to be
Pero konting-konti yun.
very konti. But hopefully, with all these awareness, our pharmaceuticals will be more open to
Yeah.
having really us out there for our
Doc,
needs.
Gawa tayo
Ano?
yan. Halika, gawa na tayo.
Yes, gawa na tayo.
Yun nga, Doc, sa mga forums na ginawa namin last month, no, ang daming nagtatanong, okay, so paano nga kung dry na? Anong gagawin namin? Masyakit na siya. Ako personally, I experienced that na
Painful
bigla na
sex,
lang siyang
yes.
sumakit. Na parang sabi ko, hala,
Tsaka
anong
hindi
gagawin
pwedeng
ko?
dalasan kung hindi talaga,
tiis
girl.
ganda na lang ginawa ko
Hindi.
doon. Until si Auntie Karen ko said, Ante, kailangan mo na mag-lube. Doon lang ako na pag-isip na,
But it took you
oo
a
nga.
while. Even the OB gynecologist said, lubricants in midlife, kailangan talaga water-based. Paulit-ulit, water-based mga ante.
Oh, yun nga yung,
Diba?
ano.
In fact, Doc, meron pa mga legit question. Pwede ho ba ang coconut oil?
Oo.
Girl, gusto ko sabihin, girl, unang-una, hindi biko ang kifi natin.
Ante,
Ano to,
magliliyab.
kakanin?
Magliliyab pa.
Magliliyab yan. Pwede ka magpakain, pero hindi kakanin ng ating kifi para lagyan mo ng ano. That's why yung accessibility of water-based lube. Actually, before accessibility, acceptance na it's okay to buy lube.
No, Ante, remember may nagtanong, ano po ba yung lube ba na yan? Ano po bang side effects to that level
Yes,
na
ano daw
question
yung
na,
side
may side
effects?
effects ba yung lube na yan?
Kasi may pinapasok mo sa kifi mo eh.
So, ang sagot lang namin, may side effects siya, masyarap.
Masyarap.
Kahit magpadulas-dulas ka
Oo
doon,
naman.
di ba? And you're the expert in that, Doc. Tell me more
Actually, lube has been very stigmatized din. Iniisip nila na, iniisip ng mga tao na kailangan mo lang yun kapag dry ka na. Pero hindi naman talaga. And madaming mga negative connotation doon. That's why we also came up with the play gel. The play gel is not lube. It's formulated so much so that it hydrates your...
Kifi.
Yes, the whole kifi. You can use it before, during, after.
So parang
Right?
skincare din siya, Danda.
Parang, down there.
Pati down there, may skincare. Okay. Sa bagay, may narinig na rin akong
Yes.
vajacial. Parang
meron yun.
facial na
Tsaka may
ginagawa
laser
doon.
na ang vajayjay.
Ginawa ko rin yun, di ba? Para ka nakikipag-sex dun sa one. Teka, hindi ko siya mabukas. But, itong play gel na to, favorite ko to talaga, especially when I'm masturbating, because
really.
because of the cooling sensation. So, you can
Ay,
use it
nakikilig.
anytime.
Ante ko.
Parang
na-excite ako
pinag-toothbrush
dyan.
mo.
Yun din. Kasi di ba kanina pinag-uusapan natin, parang mahirap na ma-arouse. But for us kasi, lalo na kung madami tayong iniisip, ang kailangan lang natin is a push. Para ma-arouse
Pun
ka
intended.
ulit. Oo. And this one, that's why it's my favorite kasi may cooling sensation siya. So parang niya sinistimulate yung kebs mo na parang, ready na ako! Tingnan mo, nakikiliti na ako. Ngayon pa, inisip ko pa lang. Yung parang ganyan. You have
Okay.
to have something like that.
Yan nga yun.
And then we also have
this is very
This is
useful.
empowering. Yeah.
edible ones. That
Edible
you can,
kasi may flavor siya, Doc.
Yes.
Bubblegum.
So this one, try it. So that yung mga edible ones, it's
It's not edible.
Try.
pwede. Oo, I guess it's mint.
Uy,
Lamig. Yes. So this one, yung mga may
palamig siya,
flavor,
ante. Oo
pag ginanon mo, tapos imaginein mong ginaganon mo yan sa keps mo. Oh.
But you can use this, like, for example,
Anytime.
after bath.
Yes.
Like, we put moisturizer in our face and lotion, but we
Yes.
don't put it in our kifi.
Yes.
So
you
this
can
is
put
safe
it-
for our kifi.
Yes.
So, magiging soft,
Yeah.
supple, and
Hydrated.
madulas.
Hydrated.
Hydrated ang
Oo.
tipan
So not
natin.
only will you use this during intimate.
So, hindi na
No.
magiging masyakit, Doc.
Hindi. Kasi yun yung, di ba, hindi natin pinapansin ang ating kifi.
Of course.
But like, the skin there is what we call intimate skin, di ba? It's like skin that touches other people. Yun yung
It's like lotion.
Yun yung touch with your partner. So,
Yes.
dapat, inaalagaan din natin siya.
Kaya lang kasi, di ba, we grew up na, yun nga, yung sinasabi si LG.
Suklayan mo, te. Alagaan daw. Babrush natin, gano'n.
Hindi ba yung sinasabi si LGU na safe ba yan? Kasi nga pag pinapasok sa loob, it might not be. So it's really formulated
Yes.
to be safe for use in our intimate
Yes.
kiffies.
And then try this one. This is bubble gum. Alam mo kung bakit ko to gusto? Kasi minsan, 'di ba kapag nagfo-foreplay ka, tapos
Color blue.
sumusubo ka ng kung ano-ano.
Oo.
Minsan matagal eh. Pero kapag may lasa yung sinusubo mo, parang masaya na.
Parang mas
Diba?
gaganahan ka.
Girl, manamis-namis.
Mm.
You can use this to your partner also.
Yes,
So
of
when
course.
pag humada ka, pwede mong...
Yes, and pag humada rin siya, pwede ka. Parang ka ganun ka. Ha, tapos dahil moisturizer siya, moisturized pa rin ang iyong hips.
Meron ka ng skincare din.
Yes, habang kinakain ka.
So it's part of our vaginal health. No, this may sound like it's, you're not even selling. I think you're empowering us that
thank
there
you.
are products out there made by Filipino.
Oh yes, this is an entirely Filipino product.
Oh, fantastic,
Nice.
fantastic.
Yes.
So, hindi lang siya pang midlife.
hindi.
assuming.
Oo.
Pwede rin siya basta...
Pero dahil midlife ang pinag-uusapan natin, mga ante, wag nang mahiya.
Oo nga.
Parang awa nyo na.
Eto na yon, yung mga nagtatanong sa atin sa forum, saan ba namin, paano ba kami makakabili ng mga lube na yan?
Unprovedplay.com.
Yes, on
Suggestion
trueplay.com. Meron din kami sa TikTok, sa Shopee, sa Lazada. And also, for midlife, balik tayo dun sa midlife. Aside from the arousal, yung play kasi, you have to introduce it to your relationship again. Diba?
Okay.
Lalo na kung pag medyo na-stale na, hindi na kayo nagsisex, yung gano'n. Kasi sabi nila, Dok, paano ko ba sasabihin sa asawa ko? Paano na ulit ma-reignite?
Oo, correct.
Bili ka lang nito, tapos bigyan mo sa asawa mo, alam na.
Gets na niya yun. Magdadare-diretso na yun.
Yes.
Mukhang alam ko na gagawin mo mamayang
Para
gabi.
alam ko na rin dapat anong gagawin mo. Dahil ang sabi nga nila, ang kifi ay muscle. Kailangan
gamitin.
ini-exercise. Okay. Moving forward, let's go to the
Yung mga myths.
myths na
And
lang.
facts.
Oo.
Tatanungin
Let's
natin si
debunk
Doc
it through
Kung
Doc
ano yan.
Rica.
So
Yes.
first off is low libido in midlife is just something women have to accept.
True or false?
Mababang libog daw.
It is something to accept, but know that you can do something about it too. And once you accept it, that's the only time that you can do something about it.
True.
Okay.
Very
Yeah.
true. Okay.
Nangyayari naman kasi talagang bumababa na yung libido.
Oo.
Accept na natin
Real
yun.
na real yun.
Pero it
Nangyayari
doesn't
yun.
necessarily mean what Doc was saying. Not necessarily wala kang gagawin
Wala kang
about
gagawin.
it. So,
Oo.
pwede pang may mangyaring action.
Actually, meron ako nakalimutan
Oh.
sabihin. Doon sa study ko, the women in menopause, right? And even the women that I talked to na 80 years old, na sila 70 years old, ganyan.
Merong sex life pa rin?
Oo,
Lumalaban pa?
Lumalaban. But going back, yung mga nasa menopause, doon nila nafe-feel na para silang bagong tao and yung libido nila nag-shoot up. Ang nagiging problema lang ay yung asawa nila medyo...
Hindi na
Oo.
Kasi sila, they're gonna go through something which is under
It's not like they're-
Pero if we're just talking
correct.
about women, babalik yan.
So there's life after...
There is a life.
Totoo talaga, there
May
is life.
balikbayan portion pala sa midlife.
Kasi para kang bagong tao.
Okay.
Parang,
At saka without the fear of pregnancy.
yan din.
Ayun pa yung mas
Diba?
masaya.
All
Walang
the
worry,
every
no?
day. Yes,
Oo.
yes.
Kaya
That's
ko
a
yung
good point.
asawa ko pinagpa-vasectomy ko na eh. Para only cream
Wala
pie kami
naman.
pala.
Ay, ang saya. Oo nga, it's never too late. Beke naman, ano?
Correct.
Oo.
Okay, moving on to the next. Men naturally want sex,
more than
No,
women.
No. That's
True or
false. That's false.
False yan.
That's false.
So bakit nabuong ganun? Is it because they're
Because
verbal?
of the
They're louder?
patriarchal.
Patriarchal.
Okay.
Orgasm becomes harder or impossible
No.
in midlife.
False.
False.
Pero sabi mo kanina, hirap ka na nga. But
It's here eh.
so it's mental
It's here.
talaga.
Oo. Kaya hahanapan mo ng arousal yung sarili mo.
So once you break it,
So tigilan na
Oo.
muna natin ang kaiisip ng ano ba, magkano na ang diesel ngayon?
correct.
Wag na muna.
Oo, magsayaw
Kailangan you
ka
stay
na-
in the moment.
Magsayaw ka lang nakahubad mamaya.
Okay.
Ganun.
Sa banyo, kasi ka lang nakahubad. Oh.
Ah.
Or maglakad
Okay.
ka na nakahubad around
Kailangan
your
warm up
asawa.
ba? Oo, warm up. Okay.
Oo.
If you've never experienced pleasure before, is it too late to experience it in
No,
midlife?
never too late. Never too late. I've had a client when I was studying in the US, 75 years old. She experienced her first orgasm at 75
the
years old.
fork?
Kasi nabiyuda siya, tapos nagkaroon siya ng boyfriend.
Wow,
Pero yung
75.
oh my God, parang, what a crappy husband, no?
I know, pero namatay na yun. Okay na yun.
Okay.
I mean,
Anyway, so talking about sex in a long-term relationship make things awkward, true or false? Uy, medyo
false.
nangyayari yan. Nangyayari
Na?
talaga na awkward pag-usapan between husbands and wives.
hindi nga
But there are
dapat
ways.
eh.
Hindi dapat.
Oo,
pero,
hindi dapat. But yes, there are ways. Katulad ng pagbili nito, tapos sabihin mo, oy, try natin mamaya. Or, nakikinig ka ng podcast na to, pakinggan mo with your husband.
oh,
Yes.
that's a good idea.
Actually, that's what we encourage. Watch this with your husband so they would better understand you that you're not making things up when you say you're really tired or especially now. Watch this with your husband. Nung kinalabit ka at sinasunusumbatan ka, ayaw mo naman eh. There is a reason but there is a hope.
Yes.
We can do
Correct.
something
Oh,
about
at pag nagkatuluyan ng husband, paki-Gcash na lang po kami ng husband
Yes.
mo para sa aksyong naganap.
Alright,
Okay.
ikaw to, question mo to.
Nice girls don't talk about sex.
Huh?
True or false?
I am the nicest person there
You are the
is.
nicest person.
Right? Yeah.
But you can be nice and raunchy.
Yes.
Yes.
Pwede yun. Oo,
At hindi
correct.
nababawas ang pagkatao at pagkababae mo.
You can be a good girl and you can be a slut too. I
Okay,
mean,
okay.
yeah.
Last, it's embarrassing to ask questions about your sexual health.
It shouldn't be. It is true in our society, but it shouldn't be. That's why we have platforms like this.
Yes, yes.
So people can start empowering themselves to really ask questions because it's part of who you are. Eh.
Oo.
And sexual health is a big part of our overall well-being.
Oh, tsaka mga ante, bago kayo mategi bells, sana ma-experience nyo yung multiple
Yung rebirth.
orgasms.
Oo, yung rebirth. You know, really midlife is we talk about, recalibration. Oo nga, rebirth of our sex life.
Oo.
Oo.
In midlife.
Second coming.
Ka-
Pun intended!
So,
Anyway.
yeah. So, ito pa. If intimacy fades, it's just part of
marriage.
True or
Intimacy fades.
Okay,
That's true. I
that's
mean,
true.
not intimacy, passion. I think passion yung dapat na nakalagay doon.
Okay.
Bumababa siya talaga. But again, you can do something about it. Kasi ang ano naman ng passion is it goes down, then it goes up, and then it goes down. Pwede mo siyang ipaakyat ulit.
Okay.
Pero hindi siya mawawala dapat forever.
Okay. Ito yung last question na narinig natin sa mga forums that we did. Parang feeling ng mga kababaihan, obligasyon na lang in midlife ang having sex with their partner. Obligasyon na daw.
Yun yung sinasabi ko na parang it shouldn't be an obligation. You should want it. And how would you want it? You would only want it kung nasasarapan ka, di ba?
Oo nga.
Kung meron kang nakukuha
The
from
benefits,
it.
correct,
Pero kung
correct.
wala kang nakukuha from it, aayawan mo talaga.
O ayan, mga ante, hindi siya
Pero
obligasyon.
you know, in midlife kasi, it's so easy to feel unsexy. With
Yes.
all you're feeling mentally and physically. I mean, hindi ka nabalingkinitan. Alam natin yun, na parang, ano nangyari sa...
Kaya nga napaka-importante ng role ng asawa mo.
To make us feel sexy.
Yes.
I'm your slut. Yes, I'm 200
Yes.
pounds. I don't care. I'm sexy.
So, hindi siya obligasyon, hindi siya parang SSS contribution mga ante
Yes,
ko.
yes.
Okay?
Alright.
So,
So we have a couple of
quick Reddit
Ah, ah.
set go. So, real questions from real women naman to nakuha natin sa Philippine Reddit, no? So, normal ba na wala na talaga ako
Gaano makipag-sex?
makipag-sex kahit mahal ko pa naman yung partner ko?
Magkaiba naman ng love at lust. Ang love and sexual desire, magkaiba siya. So, okay lang na wala kang gana kahit mahal mo yung partner
Pero
mo.
di ba tayo as women, Doc, kailangan yung basic, kailangan at least mahal kita bago ko i-open ang aking kifi.
Merong mga ganon.
Oo.
Oo.
But not all
Pero
women.
magkaiba pa rin yun, Mahal dun sa lust.
Aha.
Right? But you can activate both
Okay.
at the same time.
Okay.
Yun nga yung sinasabi ni Doc kanina. It can be activated. Ano nga ba yun? Like for me, pag may ginawang maayos, kabutihan, or whatever, na-arouse ka.
Okay.
So sa'yo, you have to find also daw, according to Doc, wow, bilang expert. Ano?
Yes.
Na
Alam mo nang gagawin
May
mo
opinion ka na ngayon.
Yung asawa ni Auntie Bella, kayang-kaya mo
Oo,
yan.
ready. Bastusan tayo, mama. Gusto mo, di ba?
Ito, feeling ko nasagot na rin naman ni Dokto Very empowering. Masama ba na at midlife, gusto ko na mag-focus sa sarili kong pleasure?
Anong masama doon?
Walang masama.
I think yung
Masama
nagtanong
doon.
nito, feeling ko lang, baka hindi siya nasasatisfy ng asawa niya. Kaya gusto na lang niyang, ay, gawin ko
Ako
na
na
lang
lang,
sarili ko.
tatanga-tanga ka rin lang
possible
naman,
na
di ba?
ganun.
Oo,
Pwede,
oo,
pwede,
oo.
pwede.
Pero I think baka it's worth trying pa rin with the husband na communication is key na. This is how you get me aroused
Yes,
or pleasure.
yes.
Baka may pag-asa. Kung hindi pa din, o sige,
Let me
itono
do
mo na
it.
yan.
Let the big girl do it because you're an idiot.
Or let him watch you.
Oh, it's a new perspective.
Oh,
Let
yeah.
him watch you do it. Para alam niya, may demo, te.
Gumawa ka ng porn.
Oo, alam hindi.
Joke! Oh my God!
ka, pwede naman. Para magpanood ka. Kasi madami sa mga lalaki yun yung fantasy nila to watch.
Oh.
So try mo mamaya kung gusto mo bastusin ka.
Ang dami ko namang tatry mamaya. Mukhang may balibagang mga yan.
Pag hindi ka
At
makapasok
mga
bukas,
backpages.
alam na this. Hashtag.
Okay. So,
Question.
again.
In your work, what's the most common thing women in midlife feel but they don't say it out loud?
I will go back to what I said a while ago na yung, ito na ba yun?
This is it?
Is this it?
So, ang sagot ay, hindi.
Hindi,
Kaya mong
hindi.
gawing hindi. At you must do it na hindi talaga.
And we
End
will
of
look
the line.
forward. Ako, ito yung big take ko sa episode na to. We look forward to our sexual rebirth.
Yeah.
In midlife. Pwede pa. It's never too late.
Wala pala siya. Ay, yun pala yung sasabi. Akala ng ibang may expiration ng kipay, te. Kasi
Wala.
pagoda na nga siya. Wala pala. Di
Wala
pala siya.
expiration ng kipay.
Walang expiration. Hindi naman yung pagkain. Pwede ka magpakain.
Hanggang ma-deads tayo, nakago.
Grabe naman yung ma-dance. Okay. Kung may 75 nga na nag-orgasm pa, te, papatalo ba tayo doon?
Pero buti hindi na-atake sa puso
Oh,
yun.
hindi. Sabi nga niya, oh my God, this is what I've been missing my whole life.
Oh my
See?
God.
So, catch up din daw
Catch up
tayo.
daw, pwede pa maghabol.
Ito yung topic natin today. We want to let our aunties,
You are
whatever
not-
it is that you're thinking, naiisip din namin yan at ibang mga aunties.
Hindi ka
you are
nag-iisa.
not alone.
Hindi ka nag-
At hindi ka nauulol. Okay, so if you want more sex than usual, hindi ka nauulol, hindi ka nympho,
Normal to.
oo, normal ito. Buti nga kung nakakaramdam kayo midlife ng desire pa kasi other women, I went through that phase. Absolutely, parang, huh, really? Really? And ngayon pala, my biggest learning now is the rebirth. There is. But we have to take it upon ourselves first. Always.
You have to want it. You have to enjoy it. So find ways to want it and to enjoy it.
Oo. Ako naman ang key takeaway ko, we really have to take care of our kipay. Yan nga. Mayroon palang ways na aside from just washing usual, may mga
May skincare.
may moisturizer, meron pa nga daw vajacial, meron pa daw floral arrangement.
Yes, meron daw,
surgical or
oo.
something. May mga ganon. So, may are ways.
But would you want to skip all over again and then be a virgin? I don't want that anymore.
Baka hindi mo bet, baka yung asawa mo gusto. I don't know.
But why you're doing it for him? Not for yourself?
Ay, good question.
Pero sino, mahal din yata yun, ante.
O, di siya ikaw mag-fund.
Pag-guest kayo, pa-sponsor kayo.
Diba? Oh, but yeah,
Yeah,
so those are
yeah.
the information that we gathered. You're not alone. What you're thinking, we're thinking, yung Google can get you so
wait.
ano.
Since you said Google
Yeah.
and kanina
Yes.
ChatGPT, di ba? Meron din pala
Oo.
akong sasabihin before we end. We just launched Una by Unprude app. It's the first AI sexologist in Southeast Asia. So, download Una by Unprude. Yes.
Again,
so you
what
can
is that
have
again, Doc?
Una,
Una.
UNNA.
And UNN.
So, I like Una, why? It's because it's like you're putting yourself first.
Yes!
I love it! You're so gay, Doc! I love it!
Alright, so yes, download it on Google Play Store and App Store. You can ask
So it's like
Una,
ChatGPT.
but it's specialized, meaning I trained it to be a sexologist. So all your
Naku, may bago ka na
questions-
namang boyfriend.
Kasi may boyfriend ako si Nelson, siyang chat GPT boyfriend ko. Una, UNNA, and they can
By
download it.
Yes. And then we also have in the app, it's programmed so it can tell you if you really need professional help. So we can connect you to psychologists, even sexual health doctors, even clinics.
Nice.
And we also have a community. I want to invite everyone, yung auntie community.
Yes,
Yes.
yes.
To go to the Unprude community kasi we also have like
I look forward
so
for
nice.
really a
Yes.
dedicated space for women in midlife.
for sex.
For sex and women in
Yeah.
midlife. Midlife bembangan is what I call it. Okay, Doc, anti-wisdom tayo This is one question that I know most aunties would want to ask. What do you wish every Filipino woman knew about intimacy in midlife?
That there is a sexual goddess in each and every one of us.
So, Doc, kahit na malaki ng Chanda Romero ko,
Oh! It
kahit na
doesn't
hindi na magandang
matter.
skin ko,
Alam mo,
kahit na yung, wala, boobs ko naman
Hindi
hindi.
na-
Pero
hindi
yung
na
boobs
daw-
ko nasa hanggang tiyan na.
oo naman.
Sexual goddess pa rin
Oh,
yun.
If you feel you're a
Yes.
sexual goddess nga daw and sexy, the other people will see you as such.
So, kailangan isipin ko ako si J-Lo para makita
Yan.
mo si J-Lo ako. Ganun ba
Oo,
yan?
oo.
Correct,
Ay, channel mo si
Fine.
J-Lo.
So bakit nga ba importante yung topic natin ngayon?
Because there's lack of sex education. Really.
Oo.
That's why she's a trailblazer. She's a taboo breaker because kung hindi pa namin na-discover yung
Unproved.
unproved,
Yeah.
we
Okay.
wouldn't even embrace it. Because media also, hindi nyo naman masyado.
Ante, tumanda na tayo
No,
ng ganito.
na-censor
no?
nga
Ngayon
ako
lang.
eh.
Exactly.
Pero speaking of lack of sex education, we also do that in Unprude. We train more sex educators or kahit na sino that who just wants to know more about their sexual selves. We have courses and classes for that.
Grabe.
Yeah, so follow
Ang deeper
Unprude.
pa
Yes,
pala
please.
niya.
Kasi if we don't talk about it, more and more women, not just in midlife, would feel alone Diba? So,
At saka hindi sila mag-i-enjoy. Ang mangyayari, endure lang ng endure. Tapos hindi nila
Ay,
ma-enjoy.
smart ka ng slide, ante. Anyway, as we wrap it up, Doc, please feel free to invite them.
Oh yeah, please follow Unprude, UNPRUDE on Instagram and all platforms, and download Una by Unprude. And of course, don't forget your play gels. Unprudeplay.com.
Yes, and sorry medyo kunyari, ma-cloud chase na kami. If you want to get discount,
Oh yeah.
you have your aunties. Please,
Influencer.
discount code Auntie Belle and Auntie Karen, yung mga friends ko.
AUNTEHBEL. Antibel.
AUNTHKAREN
Sa
for your sa unprudeplay.com
Upon
to get
checkout
your
yun, just
discount.
plug it in.
So,
Okay.
siguro gagawa na lang tayo ng mga mini vlogs natin. Magkaroon tayo ng review, why not?
diba? Sa
Para-
TikTok.
TikTok.
Oo,
Oo.
lagay mo yung yellow basket.
Yes, sa yellow
Ayan.
basket.
Influencer.
Anyway.
Sige.
And with that-
Also, we also have our own.
Yes, please don't forget to add and like and share. We are on YouTube, AUNTHTIME, Spotify, Facebook,
Betay.
Instagram, and TikTok. And of course, my personal Casey_Superstar. And
And Antibel and IG. Follow us for more info. And this has been an exciting
Thank you
topic.
so
Sana
much,
na-arouse
Doc.
kayo, no? Alam niyo na gagawin namin.
Ma-text
Yes.
kita mamayang gabi, Doc, ha?
Yes.
message ka na lang namin.
Thank you in advance. At,
Thank you
namin
for
sa
having
inyo.
me here.
Thank you so
Thank you
much.
so much. Ang dami ko pang tanong, bitin, but hopefully
Next time, kayo naman
ulit.
mag-guest sa akin.
Yes.
Yes. So this has been our episode for today. Thank you for watching. I'm Auntie Belle.
And I'm Auntie Karen.
And this is Dr. Rika Cruz.
Bye!